You know that feeling, that buzz in your photographer's soul when the gear rumors start flying. Well, it's happening again, and this time it's all about the Nikon Z7 III. This doesn't feel like just another refresh. It feels like Nikon locked itself in a lab with a mission. Build the camera we've all been asking for. Think stunning resolution meets serious video power. The Z7 III is shaping up to be more than a spec bump. It's a bold statement. With a rumored mid-2025 release, the real question is, will this be the one that finally makes you pull the trigger? Let's dive into the leaks and see what Nikon's been cooking. The sensor has been the talk of the town, with credible reports pointing to a new 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, likely from Sony. This is a noticeable jump from the Z7 II's 45.7 megapixels, offering more cropping flexibility without going into medium format territory. The key innovation here is a partially stacked sensor architecture, a first for the Z7 line. Borrowing tech from the Z8 or Z9, this means faster readout speeds, minimized rolling shutter, crucial for video, and improved burst shooting, all without the full cost of a completely stacked design. For landscape and studio pros, early tests indicate up to 14 stops of dynamic range at base ISO, meaning incredible detail recovery. To handle this data, the Z7 III packs dual-speed 7 processors, ensuring fluid performance even with massive RAW files. Nikon's autofocus has sometimes lagged behind, but the Z7 III looks ready to flip the script. It's set to feature a 493-point hybrid AF system powered by deep learning from the Z9 or Z8, offering improved subject tracking, even in busy scenes. Long lens users will appreciate Focus Point VR for steadier handheld shots. On the video front, the Z7 III makes smart moves. 6K at 30p from the full sensor, oversampled 4K and 4K at 120 FPS for slow motion, all without the heat issues of 8K. Even better, it supports internal 12-bit NRAW and ProRes RAW, making it a serious option for creators. While the Z6 III is still the video king, the Z7 III is catching up fast. Nikon isn't radically changing the Z7 III's physical design, preserving the beloved magnesium alloy body. Key refinements include a 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen for easier composing and an EVF bumped to 5.76 million dots with Z8 level brightness. Enhanced IP56 weather sealing brings flagship-level durability for tough conditions. Storage is flexible with dual card slots, CF Express Type B and UHS 2 SD. A new Starlight mode enhances low-light astrophotography, and in-body image stabilization, IBIS, improves to 6.5 stops, offering near-gimbal stability. Battery life gets a welcome boost too. Thanks to efficient dual XSpeed 7 processors, the ENEL15C battery now delivers approximately 680 shots per charge CIPA, a handy 15% increase. Pricing will be crucial. The Z7 III is expected around $3,499, placing it closer to the $3,999 Nikon Z8. Nikon will likely emphasize the Z7 III's higher 60-megapixel resolution over the Z8's 45.7 megapixels. Competitively, it sits between Canon's EOS R5 and Sony's A7R5. While the A7R5 might still lead in AF and lens depth, Nikon's offering undercuts it slightly on price and balances stills to video performance. For existing Z-mount users, the Z7 III offers seamless integration, taking full advantage of capable Nikon lenses. The Nikon Z7 III isn't designed to be a revolutionary leap. Instead, it refines an already strong formula, carefully embracing video and hybrid features. For Z7 II owners, the upgrade depends on needing higher resolution, faster AF, or improved video. For new buyers or those coming from older DSLRs, it's a significant step forward. Landscape, studio, and commercial photographers will benefit most from the 60-megapixel and dynamic range, while travel shooters will appreciate the compact design and stabilization. The Z7 III arrives at a pivotal time, reaffirming Nikon's commitment to image quality while acknowledging the need for video in hybrid workflows. Priced at $3,499 and aimed at upper mid-tier pros, it's a carefully measured evolution that delivers enough innovation and versatility to satisfy loyal users and attract new ones. What are your thoughts on the Nikon Z7 III's rumored specs? Does this sound like your next camera? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.